going on, guys? Well, Ilmi here, and today we're gonna play Nerf guns and versus
me.
Yes, my father. Anyways, guys,
I'm going to show the gun.
Oh yeah, wait, let me get my own. Wait, switch perspective. Switch perspectives.
We're given 10 minutes.
You are literally, the perspective is on you.
Come, Amy, where's the gun?
Right here, here's my gun.
Get shot. You haven't load. You go and load. Show the camera that you load.
Hold up. Wait.
Just do.
Okay, trying to make sure I ain't got one barrel of me gone. Anyways, just have to load my gun a little bit more. Okay? It will be short, I promise you. Yeah!
Go!
Show the gun! Show the guns.
We are going to start. What's up?
Okay. And the
Where's your gun?
Right here. Okay, let's just go. Okay, let's go to the base. I'm taking this.
Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3,
Go!
fire!
Oh!
Ah!
Oh! Oh! Oh!
That one finished.
Whoa! Oh! Whoa! 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 Whoa!
The last one.
I have to reload.
Ah! Okay, stop. Check the first one.
Woo! That was awesome. That was awesome. Bro. Okay. You want to reload? Reload?
See how
You pause just now. No, that's not how you pause. I pause for you. See? Pause. It's not recording, right? See?
now. What's up?
Wait.
Dad.
Pause?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Check it out.
This is how we're gonna begin, anyways.
The first round. This is intro. This is the second round. What's up? 1, 2, 3. Go!
Yeah. Wait, that's how you base on.
Why you? What's that now? You don't do a lot of force.
Go. Whoa! Whoa! Rapid fire, baby!
Boom!
Oh! Oh! Oh no, you're making me eat shit.
Boom!
No, cheating! Cheating! Cheating!
Boom!
Cheating! Hey, cheating! Cheating! That's it, territory base there!
No, no.
And pause. Anyways, after we looked, well, do you know who won? I won. Because I hit him 4 times and he only hit me once, which is on the cheek. It's really funny.
Okay. Okay.
What?
Why is it?
Less.
Pause.